In this video, I will show you how to dropship on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell unique handmade, vintage, and craft supplies. And it is a really good idea to do dropshipping on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell unique handmade, vintage, and craft supplies. Firstly, you need to choose a product for dropshipping. Let us start by searching for homemade products. As you can see, people are selling different products from this category. Some of them are doing drop shipping using different websites. Now let us go to the Facebook Marketplace and search for the same items. You will see that these products are more expensive on Etsy as compared to the Facebook Marketplace. These are different items that people are selling. Let us choose a product from here and search on it on Etsy. You find different products related to your product. This research will help you in making a good listing and putting prices accordingly. Here, people are selling homemade soaps for different prices. You can choose any soap that is good for selling from here and put its listing on Etsy. Make sure you are choosing the right seller and the product should meet the Etsy criteria. As you can see, this product is for $12, and if you sell it on Etsy, you can earn a good margin from it. On Etsy, you can search for any homemade soap and make your listings according to it. Just make sure to change the details and prices of the product. Now, when people buy products, they just need to place the order directly on the Facebook Marketplace. You can also pick more than one listing from Facebook and offer a variation in your listing on Etsy. Candles are another good product for drop shipping on Etsy. Etsy is well known for selling homemade products and candles. Once you are done making your listing attractive and offer the right prices to earn a good amount of money by doing drop shipping. Once you are done selecting the product, set prices that cover your costs, including the wholesale price from your supplier, Etsy fees, and any other expenses. When customers place orders, forward the details to your supplier, who will fulfill and ship the products directly to the customers. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.